y'all, we're here at Dixon Heights in Andalusia, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, and parks. This is an amazing community with amenities such as a pet park and a basketball court. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhouse. Let's go take a look. Come on in. Right when you walk in, there's the spacious living room, a convenient coat closet right by the front door, and a half bathroom perfect for guests. Off the living space, you'll find the dining room and the fully equipped kitchen. Outside, there's a patio and lots of green space. Going back inside, upstairs, you'll find built-in shelving, a linen closet, and a full bathroom perfectly placed between the 2 bedrooms. Down the hall is the first bedroom, which features a closet, and then the primary bedroom, which has 2 spacious closets. Outside, you'll find a grill area, a pet park, and a basketball court. Click the link below to book your tour today.